Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at an update of Tiger Woods' chart. He had an accident on February 23rd, 2021 during a Rahu-Mars period. Rahu-Mars, both functional malefics. And at the time of the accident, transit Mars, which was close to the most effective point, is afflicting the fourth house of vehicles and happiness, and then also it's afflicting the 12th house of surgery, Mars representing accidents, ruling the house of 8th house of accidents. And then we have this natal Mars afflicting Rahu, Mars and accidents, Rahu representing his, affecting his wealth and unexpected events. Then we have Ketu, it's in the house of accidents, affecting the Mars, transit Mars, which is also about accidents. So, and then we look at his natal chart, and we see that in the natal chart we have natal moon is being afflicted by natal Mars, which brings some vulnerability to the legs and the ankles area, particularly the right leg. So those are just a little bit of an update. We wish him well. Hope the surgery goes well, and hope he gets a full recovery. Thank you for listening. If you're interested in a Vedic astrology reading, you can go to www.vastucreations.com, or if you're interested in studying Vedic astrology and getting certified, you can go to American Institute of Vastu.com.